Now we'll go over the different ways that you can install the Doona in your car. We'll start with the installation process of the base using the latch system. First, pull out the latch system from the lock position. Then you'll place the infant car seat base tightly to the edge of the seat and click each latch side in. After that, tighten the buckle while pressing down on the top of the car seat to ensure that it is as tight as possible. You don't want more than 1 inch of movement from the belt route. Then place the Doona on the base. You will hear it audibly click into place. Once the car seat is installed, lower the handlebar. In this position, the handlebar will act as an anti-rebound mechanism. The next installation is with the base and the seat belt. To install, first make sure the base is sitting tight against the back of the seat. Then, undo your seat belt, making sure there are no twists, and thread it through. Buckle it in and then make sure that the bottom portion of the belt is tight. After that, use the little blue latches on the side to lock your seatbelt in, making sure that it's super tight and snug. Then place the Doona on the base as shown before. The third installation option is without the base. To do so, lower the handlebar so it sits right up against the seat. Thread your lap belt across the top of the Doona, making sure it goes through the belt route. Pull your shoulder belt up and around the car seat so it rests in the little blue belt route on the back of the seat. Make sure to pull the slack out of the seatbelt so there's less than 1 inch of movement. Then pull out your seatbelt all the way to lock it. Now you're all set.